Hey guys, so my name is MUAAZ and welcome to another video. In this video, we will fix this Xbox One S. So last month I left my Xbox One S turned on, and when I came back, it wasn't turning on. So after doing some research, I found out that the issue was due to a faulty power supply. So straight away I ordered a new power supply from AliExpress, and I paid around $16 for this power supply. So the power supply finally delivered today after 1 month, and I will fix this Xbox One S by tearing it down, and we will replace the power supply of this Xbox One S. So you need a Torx T10 screwdriver and some flathead tools to open the black part of the Xbox One S. Unlike the original Xbox One S has internal power supply, and there is no fan in this power supply, so that's why it's prone to damage. The replacement power supply looks similar to the original one, and we can only check the working by replacing this power supply in the Xbox One S. Okay, so before we start, please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications for latest videos. Okay, let's do this. First of all, you have to remove the warranty sticker on the back of the Xbox One S. And then using the flathead tools, remove the black part by unclipping it from the main body. There are a lot of clips on this, so you have to remove all clips one by one, and it will take like 10 to 15 minutes. I will suggest you to do this gently, and it will take time, so don't rush to remove this black part. Keep going gently and slowly on the black part, and after some hard work you will be able to remove this black part from the main body. So after unclipping the black cover from one side, you will be able to see the clips underneath it. Just keep pressing clips one by one, and it will unclip the black part from the main body. So finally I have removed this black part from the Xbox One S. Now we have to use this Torx T10 screwdriver to remove the screws from the main body, and then we will be able to access the power supply and hard drive of Xbox One S. After removing the long T10 screws, you have to remove the white part of the Xbox One S. Now to remove the power supply from the main board, remove the screws holding the power supply. Now remove the power supply and insert the replacement power supply in place of the faulty one. Let's have a closer look on the Xbox One S internal components before I remove the power supply from the main board. You have this hard drive on the right side of the power supply. On front you have the cooling fans and the heat sink, and on the right side you have the Blu-ray drive of Xbox One S. So finally we have fixed this Xbox One S. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.